In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variables in Streak CRM Mail Merge. By the end, you'll know exactly how to personalize emails at scale using the data you already have in your pipeline. First, open your pipeline in Streak inside Gmail. This is the pipeline that contains the boxes, the leads or contacts you want to email. Make sure you're in the correct pipeline so the right data is available for personalization. Next, select the boxes you want to include in the mail merge. You can tick individual rows if you want fine-grained control, or if your contacts are grouped by stage, you can tick the stage name to quickly select all boxes in that stage. This is helpful when you're emailing everyone in a specific phase of your process. Now start a new mail merge. In the pipeline toolbar, click the mail merge icon, which looks like a little paper airplane. Choose New Mail Merge to create a fresh campaign, or add these contacts to an existing merge if you've already set one up and want to expand it. On the right side, you'll see the Recipients panel. This is where Streak shows who will be included. By default, Streak pulls all contacts from the boxes you selected. If you prefer to be more selective, you can switch to include only starred contacts or choose a custom contacts column that you've set up in your pipeline. You can also remove individual recipients if someone shouldn't receive this particular message. Take a moment here to verify the emails look correct and that you're sending to the right people. It's time to compose your message. Write your subject line and body just like a normal email. When you're ready to personalize, click the Variables button, usually at the bottom of the Compose window. You'll see options pulled from two places: your pipeline columns, which are the custom fields you've added to boxes, and contact level fields that Streak stores for each person. Choose any variable to insert it exactly where your cursor is. It will appear in double curly braces, like hot column name. Use variables wherever they add clarity: greetings, company names, product tiers, meeting dates, and more. You can place them in both the subject and the body. Keep your tone natural by writing complete sentences around the placeholders. If a field is missing in your pipeline, that spot will come through blank, so it pays to keep your data up to date and review your recipients for completeness. Once your subject, body, and variables look right and your recipient list is refined, your mail merge is set up for a personalized, professional send.